So let me quickly close this. I want to share the secret with you guys. You can see we make from $5 to $180 trade indices. Let me share another secret with you guys. A lot of people feels when it comes into the market and maybe they're ahead of boom and crash, and they think it's that easy or it's very hard to trade. And when they come over, they realize that boom doesn't move like every other market, like the uh, volatility base. So with that, they think they should have um, a different they shouldn't trade the boom and crash market like every other market. That's a lie. Boom and crash market has the same movement. Okay, boom and crash market has the same movement like every other pair. Do you understand? But the thing is that you don't have to move down to 1 minute time frame like this and start killing yourself. Okay. So another thing I want you guys to know is that I've been in this market for a long time, and you can see my YouTube channel is not a new channel. Okay, so I'm not just here to build my channel. I'm not just uploading these videos, these strategies just to get subscribers to build my channel. My channel has been verified long time ago, since last year. Okay, so I get a lot of people on my Telegram, so I'm not a new person here. I'm not here to make money from anybody or to build my account. I'm here to actually assist you guys, because you guys you've really helped me, right? So that's my purpose of always coming here to drop strategy. And if you notice, I don't drop strategy every day, because there's something I've realized. I don't just drop any strategy because I want people. I'll make sure that whenever I drop a strategy, it's useful. It makes so much sense. You guys make money from it. Do you understand? So this is how to trade boom and crash. This is the secret I want to share with you guys. Okay, so before I go on, please kindly hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, the notification button, and also join our Telegram channel, free Telegram channel, okay, for updates. Yeah, so this is it. Before I add other indicators for you guys to actually know how to trade this with this strategy, I would like to show you guys a bit of price action before I bring the indicators for you guys to see the magic, the miracle. Okay, so this it. So when you open your boom and crash like this, the first thing you need to do is to move to maybe 30 minutes time frame. Yeah, so this is 30 minutes time frame. Now, this strategy I'm dropping now, you can catch spikes with it and also scalp with this strategy. Okay, so you move down to higher time frame. Now, when you move down to higher time frame, you can see, if I zoom out, you can see the trend line I dropped here, this trend line here, this red line here. Okay, that's the red line. The red line now shows that price is going up. Yeah, I can see whenever price touches this line, it's spikes. This is boom, it spikes to the upside. Yeah, it spikes to the upside. So now boom and crash market is just like every other market, because if I move to maybe step index, you see the same thing. Yeah, so it's very simple. When you open your charts like this, boom and crash, what you need to do is move to higher time frame, like the 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes or 15 minutes time frame. You can see here, right here, we have a zone. Okay, let me leave here. Let me bring another horizontal line. See, we have a zone right here. Okay, so you can see when I move back, you see price has been respecting that line, which is this line here. Let me Okay, let me delete everything. Okay, price has been respecting this line here. Let me place it again. This line here, that red line, you can see. Then you can see the spike here. You can see the reversal here. You can see price reversing around this level. You can see the spike going to the upside. Yeah, so that's it. Whenever price gets to that level, there's always a reaction. I've said this. You can see here, you have price respecting that level over and over. Okay, so now we have another zone here around this level here. That's another zone, and you can see price respecting this zone several times. If you check again, it's still the same thing. Okay, so you can see here, price had respected it another time. Same thing here. Okay, so that's how to trade. Now, when you bring your trend line like this, bring your trend line, you place your trend line like this. place a trend line like this, you realize price has been respecting that level. Okay, over time, price has been respecting that level over time, one, two, three times, okay, or more. And this is another zone here. So these zones you're seeing here, they are support and resistance levels on your chart, called as support and resistance. Okay, so this is a support here, and the upside here when price push from down to this other side is the resistance. So the resistance is like to say the roof, okay, while the support is like the floor. Okay, so now when you want to catch spikes on boom, you see you see market creating those structures like this one here, market creating those structures, the structures. You just need to place the structure on weight. Like for example, what is happening now, you can see we have price coming down to around this level here. Okay, so when price gets to this level here, it's likely to spike 80%. It spikes at this level here. Okay, then if it doesn't spike at this level, it's definitely going to spike here or this other side, this other level. Okay, so now for you to know that price will spike, this is what you need to understand. We There are some candlesticks confirmations we have, and there are some market structures we have. Now, this is a downtrend. What is happening now shows this trend that is moving now is a downtrend. Let me zoom, because price push, this is higher high here. Price came down to create higher another higher low, and after creating higher low, price push up to create another higher high that's supposed to go above this other structure. Okay, but it failed. Price fell to go above this other structure. Then since price fell to go above this other structure, sorry, since price failed to go above this other structure, it created a higher low. That means as price is coming down, it's definitely going to go below this other structure here, this other structure here that you created before, because downtrend, we are about to experience downtrend. Okay, so at this, as it's coming down here, it's likely it might not spike at this level here. It might not spike at this level here. It might not spike at this level. It might spike somewhere here below this other structure, because we are about to experience lower lower low. Then when price gets to somewhere here, you need to go below this other structure here. When price gets below this level here, it might start spiking below this level here. It will start spiking around this level here. Okay, it might start spiking around that level here, there. So if you place your horizontal line again around this structure, yeah, around that structure here, there, which is this line here, price might come down to this line before spiking. Then as it's spiking, it will go up again to create another lower high. Then it start coming down again. So now for you to catch spike, you need to wait for price to come below this structure, this line here. It might not spike at this line, it might not spike here. You need to wait for price to come below this line here to around this level here for you to catch spikes. Then whenever it gets to a strong support around this level here, you'll be looking for buying opportunity, because it will definitely buy to create another lower high. Do you understand? Then when it creates another lower high, like what you have here, what you need to do once you see the first candlestick after this green candlestick, the first candlestick, the first red candlestick closes like this. When you want to see the first candlestick like this, what you need to do next is for you to find selling opportunity. Okay, at this resistance level, and you see price respecting this line, then we have a red candlestick like this. You'll be looking for selling opportunity. Now, don't know if you understand what I mean. You'll be looking for selling opportunity when you have a red candlestick like this, or you have bullish and bearish candlestick like this for boom. You'll be looking for scalping opportunity. You'll be selling at that level. You use your strategies, your scalping strategy that I will add here here very soon to scalp. Okay, when it's creating, like you see what I have here at this resistance level, there was a rejection and we have a great candlestick, and we have red candlestick. After the candlestick, there was a price started going down. So this is how you scalp. Yeah, when price get to resistance level like this, and you wait and see on maybe 15 minutes or 30 minutes time frame, if we have a strong bearish candlestick and maybe a little spike, and you see your candlestick crossing, sorry, your indicator crossing each other on the lower time frame, on the 1 minute time frame, you should be looking for selling opportunity around that level, because we are about to have another downtrend. Because this is the advantage of that, because when it gets to that level, even when it spikes, it will definitely come back into profit, because we are about to experience another downtrend. Now, see what I was explaining. You see, at this level here, we've started having uptrend. Price goes up, create higher high, return to create higher low that did not go below this other low, right? Then you see a green candlestick on top of this support. You should be looking for buying to catch spikes. So you get the confirmation on the 1 minute time frame. Open your indicator and get the confirmation on the 1 minute time frame. You start looking for buy. You buy from there up. It's definitely gonna go above this other structure, because we're about to have a higher high. Okay, so this is the higher high here. After this higher high, you see the rejection, and we have a red candlestick. After the red candlestick, price started going down. Okay, price started going down, right? Price started going down. So that is how to trade. That is how to trade. Now see it again. As price was going, gets up, price going down, started coming down. It came below this previous level here, structure here, higher low, this higher low now, back below. Do you understand? That means that we are about to experience downtrend. You see what happened again? Price goes up and did not go above this other higher high, and refuses to go above this higher high. Price started going down. So that's why I'm telling you right here that price might not respect this line here, or this line here might come down to this level before it starts spiking. Do you understand? So that's how to trade boom and crash. It's very simple. It's very simple. Just move to a higher time frame and go back to lower time frame. Okay. So I will also add our indicators, okay, to show you guys how to actually trade this strategy, to show how to trade this strategy with, combine this strategy with price action. I will also drop another video that will explain more for you guys. Okay, yeah, that's it. Now when you move to 15 minutes time frame, see, when we are about to have price pushing to the upside, you see strong bullish candlestick for boom. Okay, when price start coming down, you have strong bearish candlestick for boom. Okay, so that's how you get the confirmation. Then combine with your strategy, boom and crash, spikes, and scalping strategy. You combine that and trade effectively. Okay, so that's how to trade. Now on the next video, I'll explain more and also add the indicators, how to scalp and catch spikes using this strategy. Okay, I will explain more. I will take time to explain everything, because I want everybody here to succeed. For you to learn more from this, to know how to use this strategy, I will advise you click the like button and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe so that you get notification whenever I drop another video. You'll be the first to watch, learn, and make money with my strategy. Okay, and don't forget to join our Telegram channel. Okay, thank you, guys. Thank you. And very soon we'll be dropping currency analysis and strategy as well here on this channel. Okay, so if you are into currency, trade currency, forex, you can also subscribe and wait for more videos, more videos from us, strategy and analysis. Okay, so the next video I'm dropping, I'll be telling you guys how to combine this I just said now with the boom and crash strategy, and I also explain further on how to combine this perfectly. Very simple. Make it simple, explain till you understand how to use this strategy. Okay, so thanks guys, I love you. This strategy has been making so much money for me. Trust me, I'm not joking here.